fart faces, it's me, Bev. Today we're going to be looking at Dream Wax. Dream Wax is a Canadian-based business that makes diamond painting wax, and they sell on Etsy. This package has been sitting in a box forever. To be honest, I completely forgot about it, so it's not too late. Let's check it out. And if you're new here and you like diamond painting, you like diamond painting videos, go ahead and poke the subscribe button. All you have to do is poke it. It's over here. It's red. It's red pokey button. I upload new videos on a daily basis, so if you click the bell button, you'll get notified when I do upload new videos. So anyways, let's get into this. I have my trusty scissors. This shipped really fast. I think it shipped the next day, like right after I ordered it. So that was impressive. And I like supporting Canadian shops because I myself I'm based in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. So that's kind of neat to find Canadian shops. Let's take a look-see at what we have. So we have, is that it? Yes. So we have a little bag here, and it says how to use your Dream Wax. Glide your diamond painting pen across the wax until your placer is full with wax. Pack it in with your finger. Wipe off any excess. Now you're ready to pick up your drills and paste them on the canvas. When you need to reapply, use tweezers to remove the old wax and repeat the above instructions to apply new wax. I read that really fast, and then it says happy diamond painting, so that's perfect. And oh look, we got some presents. Let's check out the presents that was included in this. We got some washi tape. It says free gift for you. I like washi tape. Ooh, some pink washi. That's really pretty. Thank you so much. That's awesome. Okay. So I ordered these two tins. This is chocolate fudgesicle, and this one is lemongrass scent. And then I was talking to the girl who owns the shop, and she said she was going to include one of these bricks of wax because she said these are really good for multi-placers, so that you can just scrape the sides of this with your multi-placer. So we'll use the brick of wax and one of these. Let me do the smell test. It's really important. The smell test is a vital test. Oh, this literally smells like fudgesicle. Oh my goodness. Lemongrass. Oh, I love the smell of like anything lemony. So delicious. And then this, I think, is mango pineapple, it says. Ooh, that smells really good. So let's use this mango pineapple. I am going to be using my Enablers Outpost pen, and this is called Rachel's Galaxy pen. If you join Enablers Outpost on Facebook, you can request to get a Rachel's Galaxy pen made. I think they still make them. I can't say for sure, but so I'm also using an Everlasting Tip. This is from the Etsy shop, Everlasting Tips. And did you know Everlasting Tips is actually a brand name for the metal tips? So just so you know, it's a metal tip. I don't know, what's the difference between stainless steel and metal? I have no idea, but all I know is it's an everlasting tip, and then this end is also an everlasting tip. So let's use the brick with the everlasting tip multi-placer. I'm just going to scrape it, scraping it, pushing it in. And the wax like comes off pretty easily. It's not super soft or anything, but it's also not super hard. That's what she said. I'm hilarious. I don't know. Just want to get enough to pack it in, but I don't want to overfill the pen. Okay, so I think this is enough. I might be wrong, but we might have to come back and scrape some more. But now let's do the single placer side. So we're going to use fudgesicle just because I'm in the mood for some chocolate. So we're going to scrape it and then pack it in with our finger as per the instructions. a little bit. I think that should be good enough. Get rid of any excess. Okay. We will see if I put enough wax in the tips. Is that that's what she said? I have no idea. No, not really. Talking about wax and tips, that's a really gross. That's what she said. So let's get out my diamond painting. I am currently working on Scaredy Cats from Diamond Art Club. When am I working on it? Okay. So, make sure you guys can see. I'm going to move this over. Here's my pen. Oops. And I'm also using this tray from Crystal Trays. It is another Canadian company, also on Etsy. I'll link everything in the description box below. So let's do number 3, or symbol 3. And we'll test out this wax to see how it performs. I'm going to use the multi-placer side first. Hopefully I did put enough in. So far, I'm liking this. Like, it's very sticky, but it's not super sticky. And I may have overfilled it, which is why there is residue. But whenever you are working with wax, there's always a chance that there's going to be residue. I think the more that I use it, the less residue there is. So make sure if you are using wax, just in general, it doesn't matter what brand, just don't overfill your pen, because then that's how you get your residue. But the more, I notice that the more that I am putting down drills, the less residue is coming off onto the drills. And I can't diamond paint straight. Please don't judge me. Okay, you can judge me a little bit. I'm just gonna fix this. So there is some residue, which I'm going to wipe off. I don't think that I put enough wax in the single placer. So I'm going, because it's not picking up any drills. Oh no, a thread. Okay, so let's add more wax into it. Just a tiny bit more. I kind of feel like Bob Ross right now. Just a tiny bit more. Look at those delicate trees. The delicate pumpkins for the pumpkin season. Just kidding. I've never really watched Bob Ross. I'm just making things up. There is residue. So maybe I did overfill it. Oh, but once I wiped it off with my finger just now, there's no more residue. So I think I overfilled the pen. Okay, so my single placer, I don't know if it's me or not, but it's not as sticky. Like, I keep having to dab on, like, poke the drills more than once to get it sticky, or to pick up the drill itself. So I don't know if that's me or the wax, or if I did something wrong. So I'm going to move back to the multi-placer and see. I do like the smell of this wax though. I like the consistency. It seems to work really well in the multi-placer. For some reason though, in the single placer, I just can't get it to work properly. And I think that might be user error. And now the drill has like embedded itself inside of the tip. So you can see there's like a big dent here now. So yeah, my conclusion for this wax is inconclusive. I will actually diamond paint with this more tonight, and then tomorrow during my whip-in chat, I'll make sure to update you guys to tell you guys how I feel about this wax. So far, like, I really like it in the multi-placer. I just can't get it working in the single placer, whether that's because it's a stainless steel tip and not the typical brass tip. So I'm going to try it in a different pen, in a brass tip, and see if that works out. But Anyways, this stuff smells really good. I like, again, I think I mentioned this already. I like that it's not super hard and not super soft. Again, inconclusive about how it works. So watch for my whip and chat tomorrow and I'll let you guys know with an update. Before you go, if you're new here and you like diamond painting videos, go ahead and tap that subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on a daily basis and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!